All right, so it is all summarized, and what we can see is an 84-page document. Head on over to just over 3 pages, right? If you want to view a dual view, you can do so yourself. You load the PDF on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side is going to be your notes, but obviously it's going to load for a little moment, so there's no need to look at that at this point. If we go back to our notes and show the chat, we can always ask a question, such as what is the overall outlook, right? Detailed answer, please, taken from the entire document. Okay, the reason why I said that is because I want to prompt additionally, just so that, even though there is a beautiful summary going on here, the overall outlook has to be very in-depth, as if it is a professor speaking to me, right? So now we see, while it has volatility, the long-term trends remain very positive. Increased focus on real-world applications like tokenization, DeFi, gaming, and NFTs will be important to drive further adoption. There are risks from events like FTX fallout and Mt. Gox repayments. Developers are exploring innovative solutions and whatever. Okay, we have another answer. Now, I want a more quantitative answer, which means I want an answer focusing more on numbers than the actual information itself. So Sparky will obviously think, and he will try to give me a more quantitative outlook. So now we can see a number speaking about the total crypto market cap, right? How it grew. We can see about Bitcoin dominance. We can see the total value locked in DeFi. We can see the stablecoin market cap decline 9% to 12 or 127 billion. Ethereum staking increased, developer activity, and all of this stuff. And it gives us a reference page, so we can always go back into it. For example, if I'm very interested in the stablecoin market cap, I can go into the document, head on over to the page, and actually do that myself. Or what I can also do is go ahead and say, or give me only info from page 62 or something, and then you'll have information displayed from page 62. Quite cool. You can do a lot of features over here, very detailed answers. I'm very satisfied with this. I'm going to go ahead and read this document after turning this video off, so that I can learn a few things rather than spending all day reading an 84-pager. And in the meantime, we can head on over into the practice, right? We can create a match game right here from our 2024 Coinbase Crypto Market Outlook. We haven't done this before, so why not go ahead and actually explore the feature, right? It may take a little bit of time, as it is converting a lot of data into these matches, right? But in the meantime, let's talk about what StudyFetch can offer us. This is a platform offering note-taking, quizzes, Sparky visuals, live lectures, tutoring, and flashcards, all with the power of AI to make your studying, learning, and working experience a lot easier than it was before. We all know how tedious it can be to learn new information. If you have access to a document that's 84 pages long, chances are you're not going to have time to read it due to other things you have to do, which is why these live lectures can go ahead and help you summarize documents, summarize lectures, but also what my main point was, you will have a lot more flexibility and a lot more efficiency with reviewing these documents by having summarized AIs actually summarize them for you, and then tutors that are going to help you learn the information from start to finish. So this is now ready to play. If we press the start button, let's see what's going on. Sector specific platforms, or let's say liquidity concentration, should be connected to now let's we're testing my should be maybe no, it's not this one. Liquidity concentration should be well this is probably me not knowing as much, but let me try to guess one of them at least. Sector specific platforms should be greatly increased. Nope. Well, guess what happened over here? I didn't actually read the summarized notes that we had, so obviously I'm not going to have the knowledge. But if I had learned it, I would be able to do so. So, without testing all of these things one by one, there we go. If you hit one completely at random, you will be able to, it's going to disappear, and then you can exit the game and you can continue moving on. You can always create another one or do anything else. Now, if you want to go to chat, you can always ask another even more detailed question that takes into account your entire Outlook plus web browsing as well. This is a very powerful feature that you are able to use if you want to learn more and tread completely over the entirety of the internet. But what I do suggest is if you have this large of a document, just use the document to get the most precise information from it, after which you can go ahead and connect all the notes together from several various documents in your set of, so if we use visuals right here, we can also look for some visuals from the actual document. And right here we have an market outlook, we have some of these. Okay, so we have a chart right here. So let's say I want to circle, oh, I didn't circle that too properly. Let's say you want to circle a little bit of a chart. We can also learn a little bit more. I didn't circle it properly, so we should probably do something else. So let's say I want to circle this chart right here and see what it reads for us. So let's see that, right? Let's say you have a bunch of charts and you ask, what does this mean, right? And you press send, and obviously you're going to get a little explanation as to diving into the circle image. Chart 2 shows the relationship between the rolling global M2 money supply and Bitcoin performance. Blue line represents the percentage change. And we can observe that there are moments when the changes in M2 supply. Obviously, it's some crypto jargon, but anyways, it's very important to know that you can use this visuals feature very efficiently. You have your practice tests, flashcard sets, match games, more ways to practice coming very soon. You have your chats that you can use anything for, web browsing, current documents, new notes, demo documents, or whatnot. And you have your homepage where you can also go ahead and customize Sparky's functionality and personality, where he can be a history teacher, science teacher, gaming enthusiast, writer, business, right? In business, look at this. You have your Ray Dalio, you have your Mafia, you have your RR, you have, different Sparkies that different people have actually created out there, and you can go into your own, customize them, and give them the right prompts to answer questions for you. For example, in a business standpoint, you could tell or prompt, let's say, hey, imagine you are an expert content writer. I want you to keep in mind Google and YouTube SEO when creating your content, and I want you to obviously keep these in mind when giving me answers for all the questions that I ask. And obviously he's going to keep in mind every single time once you ask them. So there's a lot of different functionality here, even besides learning, which is why StudyFetch is the go-to platform for anything learning, studying, and making your business and learning, throughout your whole life more efficient than it was before. So thanks for watching this mini course, and I'll see you all in the next one.